rough right about now. Shoes burning to the pipe. Front of the shoe burning to the pipe. Taking rock chips to the head. Man. Tires still new. So yeah. It's rough out here. This ain't for the light at heart. I'll tell you that now. Man, out. I was just out. I'm glad it ain't hot like it was a few days ago. Yeah, pipe's still tight. Yeah. When you go hard, things come off. Mr. Nate gave me a screw for my bracket. It got me another one. When you borrow someone's screws, replace them. So we're gonna get this is Mr. Nate's. This is one I'll purchase. And I'll give Mr. Nate his back and carry 2 more. These are the screws that go to the motor mount bracket on top of the head. So we're gonna, local Harley Davidson out here in Jacksonville Academy, Harley Davidson, or Academic, my bad, Academic. Yeah, the sales guy, the parts guy working with me, making it happen. So it's always good to know about your cycle. That's why I tell people, touch on your own vehicle so you'll know what's going on with it whenever possible. You know, when you're washing it, things may come loose and whatnot. Good to know, good to know.
Look at over your garage, man.
Yeah, it's tempting.
What you got now?
Rogue Light. It's out there. Hey y'all, my man said, Rob, I heard about that system. He said he sound cool on the videos. Man, hop up on there, man. I'm gonna give you a demo of what's going down over here. And we all the way in Florida, and so we're gonna play some user-friendly music today. It's a I don't know. We call it a Cyclops thing. We get it off Amazon. And that damn
That's
thing
interesting.
is
This is the first time I've seen that.
Oh, this thing.
Is it bright?
Very bright. Lights up all the sides and everything. But hit the high beam. When it goes to high beam, it's a whole different game changer. Especially in the daytime, it's killing the stock highlight. And the prices are, y'all need to hear about all this. So on that there, we'll back this song up. Now, what I tell people is, we got 2 different setups on how I do things now. Things evolve over time. So you got your volume, work your volume, get your vocal game where you need to be at. Now, the bass in it.
Down here a little bit longer, I'll get you left with my bike. Oh my God, that's out.
See, that's a whole different thing. You see what I'm saying? You got
You
2
gonna
different.
bring this out?
What?
I want my partners in here because I be telling them.
Oh yeah, I should get out. I might get out tonight. That's what I'm saying. You know, all depends what they got going. I'm possible people over there. What time y'all starting the function?
Well, we're starting at. We're gonna be there around 8, but I'm pretty sure everything gonna kick off about 10.
Okay, I might pop too early. You know, that way I can still lay it down and get up in the morning. I gotta find out what time my lead time gonna be. Then I can figure out how I can maneuver around. You know.
Okay. And we're gonna have some entertainment in the building.
Okay, for sure.
No. What's your best?
Hey y'all, it's Rob. Where we at today, my brother?
You up in Jacksonville, Florida, down at the Orange Park Harley Davidson.
Hey y'all, like I said, my man, he walked up and said, ain't you who?
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be me. He said he called me a few times. And man, who you ride with, my man?
Man, Blast Kings, Jacksonville, the mother chapter.
And how y'all, you said y'all having? What y'all getting down tonight?
Oh yeah, we getting down our annual 12th year anniversary for Jacksonville Mother Chapter. About
Okay.
to get it in. Come on through if you in Jax.
So in Jackson, do we have a location or what? A clubhouse place?
Yeah, Clubhouse is right on Main Street, 63rd Street.
Okay.
Once you come down 63rd, you'll see all the bikes there.
Y'all hear that? I got a day off, so you know I'm gonna have to go through a function with my man. Hey, that's all I said. Invite me, I will come. My name's Car Stereo. Just letting y'all see what I see. Gotta go. All right, let me get a pen, write that down. Well, it had to tap out. Pull the boss move. He just went and bought a whole nother bike and kept it pushing. Club Butler gonna pick it up and send it back to the house. Let's do something. This is what happens when you're rolling with the big dogs and they come to premier places like a Holiday Express.
Yeah.
And management say, "Hey man, we got something for you, man." They throw out some towels, some soap, some buckets. Say, "Have at it." This is what you don't want to do. If you got PM or LNS, you don't want this to happen to you. Too aggressive of a cleaner, spotted it all. Killed all of it in one move. And I don't think I didn't spray was the forks by accident, but I got everything else. Killed it. We'll figure it out. We need to be cleaned up, because we is dirty. Some more dirt to come, but we clean for now. So, at the end of day 8, we ran from Miami to Florida Keys West into Jacksonville, Florida, total of 692 miles. So we should be right around about the 5,180, give or take a few hundred on the speedo at that point. So yeah, like I say, the average, I've been looking at my chart here, averaging around the 7s, high 5s, you know. So I've been logging it out like that over here on my paper. Just doing a little MapQuest thing and showing it. Had to call my brother PJ so I can refresh my memory, because I wasn't sure at one point that we run over here, but then I checked all my video archives and that we went down this side and got over here, whipped around and ran back up this side. So yeah, so day 8 ends in Jacksonville. Oil change time, refresh stuff. Okay.